DHEC held another virtual meeting today to discuss COVID-19 and to give an update on the state's efforts to roll out the vaccine. 7 News reporter Scotty Kay was in that meeting and brings us more details.
One of the biggest things DHEC announced is that starting this week, the most vulnerable group of South Carolinians, those aged 70 and above, can start scheduling appointments to get vaccinated.
Each day, more and more vaccines are being administered into the arms of South Carolinians.
So far, DHEC says more than 82,000 doses of the COVID vaccine have been administered to people who are part of Phase 1A of the distribution process, and soon they say a new group of people will be included.
Vaccines are here, and they are a light at the end of the tunnel.
DHEC announced on Monday that any South Carolinian who is 70 years old or older can start scheduling an appointment to get their vaccine starting this Wednesday, January 13th.
Regardless of their health status or any pre-existing conditions.
State health officials say it's a critical next step in their mission to help save lives.
This is very important because those who are 70 and older have been the most devastated by the disease in our state.
According to DHEC, they've seen the highest mortality rate in that age range by far.
67%, or 2/3 of COVID-19 deaths in South Carolina have been among persons aged 70 years or older.
Health officials want to remind everyone that if you make an appointment to get vaccinated, you must get both doses of the vaccine for it to work.
Individuals will receive a vaccine card after receiving their first shot that reminds them when that second shot is due. Many providers are also issuing second dose reminders to individuals by way of phone calls, text messages, or emails.
And health officials also want to remind those included in the Phase 1A vaccination distribution group to go ahead and schedule your appointments before they open it to this new group on Wednesday.
We are continuing to work to have more and more locations offering the vaccine, especially in those rural and underserved communities who may not have a hospital nearby.
If you're 70 years old or older and want to schedule an appointment to get vaccinated, health officials say you'll need to bring a driver's license or another form of ID with you to that appointment to confirm your age. In Spartanburg, Scotty Kay, 7 News.
So you can start scheduling those appointments this Wednesday, and we have all the information on how to do that on our website, WSPA.com. Here's another thing. You can also call the DHEC Care Line at 1-855-472-3432.